Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the heaviest drains, video autoplay and background media. Open Instagram, go to Profile Settings, find account or data usage immediately. Turn off autoplay. This prevents videos from loading without your consent. Next, change upload/download options to Wi-Fi only so large files don't use cellular data. Once done, close the app fully and check your phone's cellular data screen to block Instagram if needed. These steps cut usage quickly while you implement deeper controls. Now you tackle the background and quality settings that keep biting your data. Go to your device settings and disable background app refresh specifically for Instagram so it won't update feeds in the background. Inside Instagram, enable data saver or low data mode to reduce image and video resolution. Also prune notification types. Turn off story or video alerts that force content to load. Make sure to monitor data use in the next 24 hours. If usage persists, tighten system-level network permissions. Finish by enforcing hard limits and knowing how to fix problems. Set a system data cap or install a firewall app to block Instagram on cellular. That guarantees zero surprises. Clear Instagram's cache or sign out and back in to stop stuck syncs. If data remains high, inspect linked apps and permissions, disable third-party integrations, then reinstall the app to reset settings. If issues persist, reboot your phone and recheck background permissions. This usually resolves hidden sync processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.